Welcome back, beautiful people. Okay, don't mind this. Hopefully it's bleach, and hopefully it's not, because I actually like this shirt. Anyway, if you are here for unboxings, welcome. If you're not, just stay tuned. There's always something for everybody. And we are almost at 2K, so that means we're gonna have a 2K giveaway. Most of the rules for my giveaways are listed in the description, so you must follow that, be subscribed, like, comment, all that good stuff. But for the 2K giveaway, there's going to be 2 winners, and I'm going to tell you more about that. One of them is going to be one of my members, so shout out to the members. Anyway, still not why you're here, right? Sidetracked. So I have Glossybox and I have Lookfantastic. They come from the same people. So this is August? Oh, we're gonna find out. But anyway, if you're interested in the 2K giveaway, you must stay subscribed. That is one of my keys. More to come, okay? Spent a little too much time on that. Anyway, which one should we do first? How about Lookfantastic? It has a nice little pull tab here. And if you missed the Barbie exclusive from Glossybox, I'll leave that here in the cards as well. So you can go check that out. But this is Lookfantastic. Most of the time you get samples. I believe I got these boxes for $13 maybe with someone's code. So you know I love a good discount. So anyway, unboxings is why you're here, okay? 2K giveaway can come later. It's gonna be big, it's gonna be great, and shout out to the members. If you're not already a member, check it out. Down below is a join button. See what works for you. If you just want to support the channel, donations are always welcome. And it goes to helping support my lovely unboxing and hauls and all that stuff that you guys like to watch. Oh my gosh, talk about run-on sentence. Anyway, beautiful boxes. You can reuse these. I really like them, gift them. So let's see what we got. So this is what it looks like. Okay, thumbnail baby. Okay, so this is the Edit magazine. It gives you a little idea of what's in the box and some tips and tricks. So this says number 8. So it must be August. So welcome to August, baby. It's time to hydrate, isn't it? Like time to hydrate. Discover, learn, and inspire. I'm loving it. So it tells you key contributors here, what's in the box. I'm loving the blue. All right, so it does tell you what's in the box. Just scrolling, I don't see any prices, but look at this. What is this? Moisturize the skin. Okay, so let's get into the box. You guys are really getting more than what you asked for right now. So first I see Philip Kingsley. I've heard great things. 40 mLs, right? Elasticizer. Adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium, and coarse hair. Deep condition treatment. Ooh, I've been getting a lot of these. I like a deep condition treatment. And I don't think I have Philip Kingsley, but it says what's in your box. So this is pretty much what's in my box. Next, the orange bottle here. Anybody seen this? 35% vitamin C perfecting serum, 30 mLs or 1 fluid ounce. It's from Allies of the Skin, I'm sorry. So let's see. I like the orange. Ooh, look at this pump. Ooh, I like it, but I've never heard of this brand. Let me see if it smells. No. Oh, it smells like an herb. Well, it has ascorbic acid, superoxide, some complexes. This is nice, and it's glass. That is going on my shelf. All right, little dusty. Always with the dust. Okay, the next item is Double Act Shadow Stick. You got Cookies is this color, and Cream is that color. I do not like shadow sticks, but that's a nice color. Very nice, very nice. Who's this made by? Essence. I think that's Essence, right? That is a nice little goodie. All right, more dust. I think it's from the little graffiti stuff. This is the Balm 1.7 ml Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Liquid Lip. That's cool. I never heard of this. What's the color? Honest is the color. It's written right there. Nice and cute. All right, we got a little guy here. Oh, I love it. It's like see-through jelly. Sasha-wan. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's sealed. But something smells very fragrant. I think it's that. I'm asking you to smell it, but Ocean Mist. Yeah, that might be it. Volume shampoo, 30 mLs. Ooh, that's a nice sample travel size. I do like that. Oh, and we have a Washa Stone by Glove. Glov. Gotta wipe it off, guys. It has a green tint to it, kind of like emeraldy, or I don't know. This is good right here. Tells you how to use your Washa Stone, so that's very, very good. That was that. We got a Washa Stone. We got an eyeshadow stick. We got a matte lip serum, volumizing shampoo, and deep conditioner. That's a good one. All right, and I keep these because I actually have my preschooler go through and find words that are on his sight words. So, and they're okay. Now on to Glossybox. Okay, so I haven't gotten Glossybox. Yeah, since the Barbie one, but I think I missed a few. Okay, so that's how that opened. And yeah, we get a 2-for-1. Oh, I love these boxes. Really do love them. Ooh, a bunch of stuff in the bottom. Okay, little inserts, but this is how the box looks. Yeah, okay, you guys are so done. All right, Geico, I don't need anything from you. Who gives a crap? All right, and ooh, these 16 meals from HelloFresh. All right, so let's see what this Glossybox is all about. Oh, I love the packaging. So dainty, so chic, so cute. Let's just crack it open. I don't actually see an insert, so you want to see? Okay, so I'm pulling up these wipes. Oh my god, super cute, purple. They smell like something. Ooh, licorice. I think I smelled that. So this is by Julep. Love Your Bare Face. Brightening, cleansing cloth. Gently remove makeup and cleanses the skin. There's 30 towelettes. Love that. That's a win. And here we go. Some skincare routine. This is a Black Marble facial roller. Look at that. It's kind of heavy too. This is really nice. Very nice. This is from After Spa. I like that. Another Philip Kingsley product. Now that I see this, I swear I have like a gloss or something I've gotten before. So this is Bond Builder. It's split end remedy, 20 mLs. It doesn't have a smell, and it wasn't sealed. Okay, another little guy right here. This is Codex Beauty Labs on 2 brightening serum, 5 mLs. No smell. I'll probably just put that on my face, but no smell. I like the like gray matte. Yeah. Oh, these invisible bobbies. I've seen these pretty much everywhere. This is for the hair. That is super interesting. I don't even, it's a bun tool. Somebody would have to show me how to use that. Oh, there's 2 of them. That's great. And I've gotten this before. Bloom. This is Daydreamer Cleanser, 20 mLs. It's really nice to have when you're traveling, I'm telling you. And then we have Made in Korea. This is Olay Mini Macaroon Foot Mask, moisturizing. Oh, you get 2 socks. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. All right, so that's that. I love all this packaging. Like, really, it's amazing. Uh-oh, what was that? Anyway, so here's my Glossybox and my Lookfantastic. Which one do you think was really good? Would you actually subscribe to either one of these? I like the difference. Like, I'm not getting repeat products, so I can't complain about that. Like, I don't get the same thing in my IPSY or my BoxyCharm. So for me, it's a great addition. You guys have to let me know down in the comments though, if you've seen a different box and you think I would be interested. Let me know in the comment section as well, because I'm always interested in trying new subscriptions. And which items did you like, or would you try, or have you tried? Because that I'm always interested as well. And I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more information on that 2K giveaway. Make sure you're in the know. Subscribe, like, comment, share if you can. Just be here because it's going to be amazing. And I appreciate all of you guys. Stay tuned for more and stay safe.